Today, the first day of our 8th edition of Whitefield Music Festival, and this is a 2 days festival every year we are doing. Today, 30th November, and tomorrow, 1st December. So, this year we are almost like 20 people are there, 20 musicians, and you can see, with Malalika ji, there are 4 musicians with her. So including her, it was 5. Then 4 from the next, the Jugalbandi. So 9 people already. And with TM Krishna sir, there will be 4 more people. So one day 13 people are on one stage. They are performing, and this is a completely it's Indian classical music we are trying to come in the front, so then people can understand what is our Indian culture also. So that's why we are keeping not only Hindustani, not only Carnatic music. There are you can see both the way we are using Carnatic music also, Hindustani music also, putting together also at one stage, one concert. So that is also one we are trying to keep it in front of the audience who are coming to listen to the music. And this is one step. Another project is like we are trying to put in front all those upcoming artists who are very much trying their best to show people and their talent. So with Carnatic music, Hindustani music, both the side we are keeping like one slot in between those legends, then where those upcoming artists, they can get a good audience in front of them to show their talent. So that is also one project. And Anandani Music Trust also has opened one Gurukul, where music interested people, they can send their kids, or maybe they can come also to learn the music, both Carnatic, Hindustani. So already we have opened 8 categories. So in that, to that, Carnatic vocal also is there, Carnatic dance form, Hindustani dance form, Hindustani vocal, tabla, mudangam, painting, and Ravindra Sangeet also. That Ravindra also is a very, with all the people, always he is there. Whatever you want to do in your life, one time you have to work with his, whatever he has done. So for that also. And this is the 8th edition we are doing this year, 2024, and hope everybody will enjoy. And it is this year we are trying here in KTPU, Whitefield, because it's a Whitefield Music Festival, so we don't want to go anywhere except Whitefield. So that is also one the motivation to keep it in Whitefield, and Whitefield people can enjoy the music. So thank you very much, all music lovers. Please come and enjoy the music. Thank you very much.
I'm Nishita Datta. I'm a trustee of Anandani Music. I think Prabirji said whatever he said. I think what he said is very right. We are trying to bring classical music and dance to parts of Bangalore which are very dry. To go to Chaudhya or to Jayanagar from Whitefield is very difficult. So we want the people who live in Whitefield, for them to enjoy music in close quarters. That is one of our endeavors besides supporting upcoming artists. Sushanta, why don't you answer her question?
Sushant Mukherjee. I am trustee and treasurer of Anandani Music Trust, and I am also disciple of Samudra Pandit Bhattacharya. I started learning Mohan Veena from my Guru Pandit Vishwaman Bhattacharya, and then recently I am with Prabirji for the last 10 years. I am learning from him, and with this endeavor, being a student of him and this thing, we thought to promote this Indian classical music in this area of Bangalore, which is very important. Today, we are all busy in technology. Even music has come the digitally more than the offline. But once it comes the offline, the feel of music, those things is very important for the students, the working young generation. They should enjoy this music, and it is only possible when you attend the offline music in the auditorium. Then only you get the feel of Indian music. With YouTuber and all this digital media, you cannot feel it because it is a passing on. You are doing, doing something, some work or something, and then you are listening. It goes to your ear, but it doesn't goes to your heart. So we want that it should go to the heart. And what is our music, our culture? It should into that. Today, India is prominent in the Indian classical music, but our young generation, because of the studies pressure and all of the working pressure, they just drift away from this.
So where are your Gurukulam?
It's located in Kufra. There's a Kistila Villa is there. In the villa number 2, our Gurukul is there. We have vocal and instrumental, Karnataki and painting,
And also
dance,
Ravindra Sangha.
and Ravindra Sangha.
And all the gurus are
All the gurus are
professionals.
very professional.